ఎర్రగొట్టె కారం రంగు రుచి ఆచి కారం పొడి.
Actually, if I had been in Messi's position, I would have done the same. Seeing the utter chaos, the management, the authorities, absolutely rubbish. All of the people that you see here, we all love football. Genuinely, we wanted to see Messi a glimpse, but it was a total scam. We want our money back, to be honest. And Mr. Shatadru Datta, who's the main person behind this event, he did a good job, but unfortunately the management was so bad. It is a black day for Kolkata. Kolkata is known for football and we love football, we love Argentina, but this experience is absolutely a scam. The people, if the ministers was there with their sons, daughter, everybody. The other people, we could not see one. You can see, everyone is saying the same thing. This is absolutely not done. We are very hurt. My name is Rahul. Thank you.
Yeah, that was really disappointing. We came all the way from Darjeeling just for this. We paid like 12,000 and the people around them, like Messi, we couldn't even see him properly. That was like the most disappointing thing I have ever witnessed. India will remain the same. It's like this tour and all. I'm Sasha from Darjeeling.
Disappointing paying that hefty amount of money. It's just that they had 50 people around him who were going around him and we couldn't even get a glimpse of him for once. It was just those ministers, whoever were there, and he just waved a couple of times and that's it.
I guess the minimum ticket was 5k and why were the VVIPs around Messi? We couldn't even see him, we couldn't even get a glimpse of him. So why was this scripted? I don't know. Why weren't the police taking action? I don't know anything. Everyone was furious. Everyone was very furious. I have nothing to say. I need Shatadru to give us the answer. We want the refund. We want the refund. My name is Ratul.
Yeah, he already left. He was just there for 10 minutes. We hardly, like, the publics, even we had we paid some 10,000, 12,000, but we couldn't have a glance at him. So all the members, the managements, they were like, stick to him. All together, he was just for 10 minutes. We couldn't see him for a bit. So it was a disaster, I can say. No one, the public was booing him. Like, we were all waited 2 hours for there. Okay, we were there for 2 hours from morning. Okay, people were like very enthusiastic. They were shouting at all, but Messi came. The people, they were playing. I don't know why they were playing, how they were playing. Messi was there and they were just eager to sign their own jerseys. The political leaders somewhere there, they were eager to click pictures with them. Okay, so yes, that's he said that's just a scam, a business. They have made a profit out of the people's money. So it's just a scam. It's a scam. It's a scam. Yeah.
Total scam.
And one more, Mumbai and Delhi. I don't know it will happen in there as well. But in Kolkata, the people, the love for football is too much. We love the football. The love for Messi is too much. But whatever we experience here is not at all we experienced in last, like Messi came into 2011. That time also we saw there, but it was a disaster. It was a scam. It was a business. That's it.
ఎర్రగొట్టె కారం రంగు రుచి ఆచి కారం పొడి.